Solar panels can appeal to environmentally conscious buyers and those looking for long-term energy cost savings. However, they can come with significant complications that can deter both buyers and sellers, especially if the panels are not fully paid off. Here's a breakdown of the positives and negatives, including the issues related to roofs, financing, and ownership transfers. Hey, it's Mark here with the Hiller Group, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I have you covered here along the beautiful Florida Panhandle from Pensacola all the way through Panama City, where our team has been fortunate enough to serve over 1,350 families in the past 10 years alone. Look, many don't think of this, but the impact on the roof and replacement process can cause big problems. Solar panels are installed by drilling into the roof, which can create opportunities for leaks, structural damage if it's not done correctly. This is particularly concerning for older roofs. So if you put a brand new set of panels on an older roof that needs replacing, that cost of that roof replacement just went up maybe $1,500 to $4,000 or $5,000 the next time that roof has to be replaced. Solar panels typically last 20 to 30 years, but if the roof beneath it is nearing the end of its life, complications can arise. Another thing to think about is financing and payment issues. Many homeowners opt for solar leases, where they pay monthly fees for the panels. These leases can deter home buyers when it's time to sell, as they are obligated to assume the payments or negotiate a payoff with the seller. This has been a huge challenge for realtors in getting homes sold. I highly recommend to all my sellers who have solar panels, pay them off before closing. If the homeowner has financed the panels with a loan, the balance must often be paid off at closing to ensure a clean title transfer. This can be a major financial burden for some sellers. Solar panels can cost between $15,000 and $30,000, and the financial break-even point can take decades, making the upfront investment daunting. Transfer of ownership. Buyers may not want the responsibility of assuming or taking on another loan agreement on top of the loan that they're already getting for the home. Lenders sometimes require rigorous credit checks before approving this transfer. Homes with financed or leased solar panels may have a smaller pool of interested buyers due to the perceived complications and obligations. If buyers do not see the value in the solar panels, they may want to negotiate down on the price or walk away entirely. Then you have the maintenance and repairs. Solar panels require occasional maintenance to run at optimal performance, such as cleaning or inverter replacement, which can be very costly. Panels can be damaged by weather, such as hail or hurricanes, and not be fully covered by insurance. This, of course, depends on your specific policy. This also requires money out of pocket to repair if it's not fully covered by your insurance. While there are challenges, solar panels do offer some benefits. First, the energy savings. Homeowners can save on electricity bills, particularly in sunny regions with high energy costs. Some buyers are attracted to the idea of reducing their carbon footprint. Next up, increased home value. Studies suggest that solar panels can add value to a home if they are owned outright with zero loans in place. The increase often ranges from $10,000 to maybe $15,000 in specific areas. This varies from state to state and city to city and market to market. This is not a blanket statement. Lastly, environmental appeal. Solar panels appeal to environmentally conscious buyers who prioritize sustainable living and renewable energy. Solar panels are most advantageous when they are completely paid off. No leases or loans needed to be transferred makes the sale simplified. Paid off solar panels are seen as a perk, as they offer free energy without additional obligation. Buyers are more likely to view the panels as a positive investment when they don't have to come up with financial strings attached to the deal. While solar panels can offer a few environmental and financial benefits, they can often bring significant headaches for home buyers as well as sellers. Complications with roof maintenance, financial burdens for leases or loans, potential to deter buyers and lower property appeal, long payback periods that may not align with homeowner timelines. For homeowners considering solar panels, the ideal scenario is purchasing them outright and ensuring the roof is in excellent condition before you install them. Otherwise, the negatives might outweigh the positives, especially when it comes time to sell. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like and subscribe button down below, and we'll see you on the next one.